Yeah, this is amazing. Today on the 16th of November 2022, we have Koivikkotie. Oh, look at this beautiful thing. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Koivikkotie 10, but we'll check the name of Swedish later. Stick is, was it A?
Yes.
We'll go to the 6B and C a bit later. Built in late 1992 by Schindler, S pictures. Turning 30 years old this year, 2020, and finished in 1993. Will be inspected in 2024. December is 436016. Maunula Mosas. Helsinki has 4 Suusimania in Finland. So Maunula Mosas has something good also. We'll check the other one soon. It's rare with those small windows.
Yeah.
We've only seen these more rounded on 1990s from CMAG and early 2000 from late 1995 or 95 and late 95.
Teet Projekti-instituutet miten pääkaupunkiserviisikeskus.
Well, that's it. Thank you very much for watching.